In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up interactive brokers charts. We'll walk through the essentials inside the interactive brokers client portal, so you can quickly bring up a chart, switch time frames, and add a few popular indicators with confidence. Start by signing in to the client portal on the web. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. Type in the symbol you want to review. Something like AAPL for Apple or SPY for the S&P 500 ETF works great for practice. As results appear below the search bar, click the instrument you're interested in to open its Quote Details page. On the Quote Details page, the interactive chart is right there for you. It usually loads a default view so you can see price action immediately without extra setup. Take a moment to get oriented. You'll typically find controls for the chart's time period around the top or bottom edge of the chart. These buttons are labeled with options such as 1D, 5D, and 1M, and sometimes longer ranges as well. Click the time period you want to view. Shorter intervals, like 1D or 5D, are great for intraday and recent price action, helping you spot quick moves and short-term trends. Switching to 1M and beyond starts to group data into daily or weekly views, which is useful for getting the bigger picture. Each click refreshes the chart so you can immediately see how the range and level of detail change. Next, look for a button or menu labeled Indicators or Studies on or just above the chart area. This is where you can enhance your analysis by layering on technical tools. When you open that menu, you'll see familiar choices. A simple moving average, or SMA, smooths out price to show the general direction over a set number of periods. An exponential moving average, or EMA, gives more weight to recent prices, making it react a bit faster to new moves. Bollinger Bands wrap the price with an upper and lower band around a moving average to help highlight volatility and potential overbought or oversold conditions. Volume overlays display trading activity directly on the chart so you can gauge the strength behind moves. Click the indicator you want to apply, and it will appear on the chart right away. You can add more than one if you'd like to compare how they behave together. With your symbol loaded, your time frame selected, and your indicators applied, you now have a clear, functional chart set up inside the client portal, ready to support your trading decisions.